Hey, I'm Shannon with directcarpet.com, and today we're going to show you how to measure and set up for your U-shaped stair runner landing. Let's get it. Hey, I'm Shannon with Direct Carpet, and today we're going to show you how to measure up and tape up your U-shaped stair runner landing. Now, first thing first is I just found the center for the stairs going down. I've got my pencil, I'm making a little mark in the middle, and then I'm going to split the difference on the outside. We're going with a 26-inch runner today up the stairs. That means we're going with a 26-inch runner over the top and into the landing. Now, I've got my mark, I've got my center. I'm doing my marks on the one side, and then I'm rolling out my tape exactly where it should be. Now we'll measure over, double check, make our little pencil mark, set up our tape, and we should be 26 inches from the outside of the tape on both sides. Now we're going to work the same measurements. I believe it's 4 inches all the way around the perimeter, and we're going to tape it off. And this is exactly what we want you to do, so that you can get your measurements exactly what you need, and you can send them to us so we can transpose that onto the carpet. Centering again to the top stairs. We're looking for a 26-inch runner going up the stairs. So I believe it's 4 inches on the left and 4 inches on the right. We're going to double check that, and then we're going to tape that off. Okay, now we'll do it on the opposite side. Make a pencil mark, and then we'll take our tape. And we're using painter's tape because it's easy to get off. We're going to line those up. And now we've got that one done. And now we've done 4 inches on the back, on each side. And we're going to line the tape up all the way along. Now, obviously, when it comes to the shop here, we're going to cut that and square that all off for you. What we need are the basic measurements to center this out. Now, that's 26 at the front. It's a certain length along the back, which we'll get to. And it's 26-inch centered to go up. So this is exactly what we want you to do, and then we want you to take the measurements and transpose them to this piece of paper that we will send you. You can print this out on your printer, give us these measurements, and then we can make your U-shaped landing. So see that? It's 26 inches to the outside there. We're going to mark that down on the paper. Now we want to get this measurement. This measurement is crucial. From there to there. Very important. Around 13 inches. Now we've got 13 3/8 there, but we're going to change that to 13 after. Okay, now we definitely need that middle shot too. From that point, right across to that point. Okay, so we've got our middle measurement, 24 3/4. We've got our one side at 26 plus our middle at 13 3/16. And then we've got our right side at 26 inch. Now, we need that full total for that full length on the back side. So 26 plus 26 plus 13 3/16, but first we want to measure the back side, which we come up with 65 inches, because like I said before, no house is square. So we've got 65 inches. 26 plus 26 plus 13 equals 65. We're going to cut out the 3/16, and we're good to go. Okay, so you saw how we taped everything out. We centered our stair runner going up. We centered our stair runner going down. This particular stair runner was a 26-inch stair runner going up 6 stairs and a 26-inch stair runner going down 6 stairs. Now, sometimes you might have 32 inches wide on one and 28 on the other. That's fine too. You just need to center your stair runner landing, your U-shaped stair runner landing. Okay, so you saw the most important measurements that we need. Once you tape it out and you get it centered with your stair runner, we had 26 on the one side, 26 on the other, and then we had measured at 13 and 3/16. But when we measured on the back tape, we come up with 65 inches. Or not every house or corner is square. So what we did, we got rid of the 3/16 because 26 plus 26 plus 13 equals 65 inches. Then we wrote it all down on that paper so that we have those measurements. If you go through checkout and purchase your U-shaped landing, we will send you that form or that piece of paper with that schematic on there. What you'll do is you'll do exactly what we did in the video, measure everything out, tape it out so it looks good visually, right? You actually get a chance to see what it'll look like. You'll make sure all your measurements are exact. Then you'll transpose those measurements to the paper, take a picture, send it to us in chat or to our email at support@directcarpet.com, and then we'll get your U-shaped stair runner landing done for you. Okay? So I hope this made a lot of sense on how to measure a U-shaped landing and how to make a kind of a really quick template. It doesn't take long. It doesn't hurt the floor. It's fast and easy. I'm Shannon with Direct Carpet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.